Mr. Beast hit the nail on the head when he said,
Yeah, if people don't click, they don't watch.
and what's the secret to getting that click? It all comes down to the thumbnail. These preview images can make or break your video's success, but here's the big question. What about thumbnails for YouTube Shorts? Recently, YouTube dropped a bombshell. You can now change it on your Shorts through the mobile app. This is great news because creators have been asking for the ability to upload custom images since the launch of YouTube Shorts. So stay tuned as I break down how this new feature works and how you can leverage it to make your Shorts even more appealing. There's also a bonus tip that can help you create your desired thumbnail, so make sure you watch all the way till the end. Now, without further ado, let's jump right in. Just as a book cover is the first impression readers get of a story, thumbnails serve as the visual gateway to your Shorts. A captivating book cover can entice a reader to pick up a book, while a well-designed thumbnail can prompt viewers to click on your video. Both serve the same fundamental purpose: to capture attention and spark curiosity. The design can also lead to higher click-through rates, ultimately resulting in increased views. According to Vellucci, there are two main factors that determine which Shorts get recommended: a user's watch history and their engagement with different accounts. Beyond just clicks, the image that accurately represents the content helps to set viewer expectations, leading to higher satisfaction rates. If the audience feels that the thumbnail accurately reflects the video they watch, they are more likely to engage with it through likes, comments, and shares, further boosting its visibility. That being said, the majority of Shorts views occur in the Shorts feed, where thumbnails don't even appear. So why are we discussing this? Well, for channels where views primarily come from search, the preview visual plays a huge role. Viewers often make a split-second judgment based on the image, and a carefully crafted one can significantly boost click-through rates. However, YouTube seems to be focused on Shorts feed engagement, where they aren't part of the browsing experience. This setup makes custom thumbnails seem less relevant to the average Shorts viewer, but it overlooks the needs of creators who rely on search traffic to grow. Understanding creators' concerns, YouTube has now introduced a new feature that allows users to add text, filters, and emojis while uploading a short. To use this feature, tap the pencil icon in the top left corner. From there, slide along the bar at the bottom to pick your frame. Then, tap text to start customizing. As you type, you'll find options to adjust size, alignment, outline, font, and color. Move the text where you want, and pinch to tweak the size or rotation. You can also add some emojis to your liking to give your Shorts a personal touch. If you want to enhance the visual appeal a bit more, tap filters to scroll through different looks until you find the one that pops. But that's not all. You can now go back and edit your Shorts thumbnails after the video has been uploaded. So if you want to update or tweak it later, that's no problem. While all of these updates are great, they still don't provide what we all truly want: the ability to upload completely custom preview visuals. That being said, this is still better than just a video frame. However, I have found a way to get around this by integrating your custom preview image to your Shorts. You can design your own on tools like Canva or Photoshop. Then, add it to the start or end of your video and upload that video through the YouTube mobile app so you can select a frame from the short as the custom visual. When done correctly, it provides an intentional, visually appealing design that stands out in search results. Also, let me know in the comment if you want to see a video about how to create a killer thumbnail for your Shorts. Overall, the new feature for YouTube Shorts represents a fantastic opportunity for creators to enhance their content. By utilizing the bonus tip of creating an integrated thumbnail, you can further elevate your videos and boost the click-through rates. Remember, eye-catching and engaging visuals are essential for standing out in a crowded digital landscape. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. I'd also love to hear your thoughts. Share your ideas in the comments below.